Welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to create a DIY banner. Here's all the supplies you're going to need. First thing to do is fold your paper in half and split it down the middle. Then fold those halves in half and split again. You'll be creating small squares that will be the pieces to your banner. You can have as many of these as you would like, but you need one extra at the end. My banner will have 5 pieces, so I have 5 squares and 1 extra. Take that extra square and fold it in half. Place it down on one of your squares and draw a line down the middle. Then place it on the bottom portion and draw a line there too. Do this for each one. Now you want to connect the lines to each other to create a point at the bottom. After you've done that, you want to cut off the excess triangles so that you have a point at the bottom of each one of your squares. Line the top side of each one of your banners with washi tape. Cut off the excess. You can also fold it, but I prefer to cut it off. Line the bottom portion of them with washi tape as well. If it shows up underneath the tape, you might want to erase the pencil lines first. Repeat this process for each one. After you've finished, you can write a word or draw symbols on each one. I decided to write smile, so I'm lining out my bubble letters. Next thing I did was outline each one of my letters. Erase any extra pencil lines and color in how you'd like. Now you want to cut a long string. Tie at one end. place your first piece down and tape it to the string. To make sure they are all evenly spaced out, a good thing to do is put a ruler in between each piece before you tape it down. Finished. To tie the other end, you want to measure out the string from the first piece. Cut and tie a knot. All done. Hope you guys enjoyed.